Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hello children, moms and dads. Welcome to Fun-Keys. This week we are learning Tommy Thumb, the song, with one finger and also our 5 fingers. Let's get started. So let's begin by clapping the notes of the song. We're starting with E from the beginning. I'm going to count to 4 and then I'm going to start from the beginning to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4.
E, F, G, E, F, G, G, C, G, C, G, G, C, G, G, E, D, D, C.
Okay, very good. Now let's find the notes on the piano. First of all, let's remember where is middle C. Middle C, it's to the left of the 2 black keys. So, 2 black keys, C, D, E. Our first note is going to be E. Remember, E, F, G. So, where is E? Here, it's the blue one. So, we go E, F, G. Okay, and then a second time, once again, E, F, G. That makes it 2 times. E, F, G. E, F, G. Next, we've got G, high C, and then G again. Let's do it on the piano. This is G. This is high C. And we go back to G. So far, we've got the first 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they go like this. Come on, let's practice it.
E, F, G, E, F, G, G, C, G.
Now, for the next 2 bars, we've got high C, then 2 times G. Again, high C and 2 times G. To play it, we go to high C, 2 times G. And again, high C and 2 times G. And that goes like that. For the last 2 bars, we've got E, D, D, and finish it off with C. This time, middle C, not high C. So let's play it on the piano. We said E 1 time and then D 2 times. And we finish it off with middle C. One more time. Now let's practice the song, the whole song, with 1 finger. And this time, don't sing the notes, but sing the song. Tommy Thumb, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Starting with E.
Tommy Thumb, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Now for those who are ready for a big challenge, let's play it with our 5 fingers. I'll tell you how to do it. And now for the triple sticker challenge of the week. The question is, how many times in this song do I play middle C? Middle C. How many times do I play middle C in this song? And for the super sticker challenge, remember when I said how to play the song with 5 fingers? So, which was the note that I was playing with my pinky, my little one? Which note? We want answers by Monday at 1 p.m. Don't forget, Oh, before we go, do you know why skeletons don't play music in church? Well, because they don't have any organs. Bye, have fun learning Tommy Thumb. See you next week.